Welcome back, yogis. Today I have for you a restorative practice with my foster kitten. She's so adorable. So let's begin in a cross-legged seat. Close your eyes and let the breath flow. Concentrate on your breathing. Try to ground down, relaxing the face. And we're going to take a side bend. Place your right hand on the side and reach up and over. Gaze follows your arm and take it to the other side. Expand your heart. Move back to a seated pose and extend your arms all the way up. Interlace your fingers and push up. Let's release. Open and widen your legs to the side. Take like a half straddle pose. Good. From here, widen your arms. Expand your heart up and take eagle arms right under left. Push your elbows up as you can. Release, spread your heart open again, and this time switch. Left on the right, eagle arms, push your elbows up. Once again, release, and this time fold over your right leg. Head to knee if you can. I'm sorry, I went out of focus here. Cats are playing like crazy. Lift back up and fold over your left leg. Let's play with some serpentine moves. Eagle arms, wave your spine all the way up. And release, caress the air. Left arm on the right, wave up. And release, expand. One more time each side, right under left, wave up. And release, and left under right, wave up. And let go. Good. Let's walk forward and take a little bit of a fold. Reach back up and move to a tabletop pose. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Rock your hips side to side. Good. And extend your left leg back and right arm forward. Keep your gaze steady and release. Right leg back, left arm forward. Release. Point your toes, downward facing dog. So our practice today is focused a bit on the earth element. So let's try to keep this down dog really steady. Soften your knees. Lift the right leg up and step the foot forward between your hands. Take a low lunge, hands pressing on your right knee. Hands down and try to lift your back knee without tucking your toes. Try to move a little bit side to side. Press your left knee down, point your toes, plank pose. Lower knees, chest and chin, and without tucking your toes, take a cobra and keep your feet as they are. Try to move back to downward facing dog. Placing the soles of your feet down at the end. Feet together, left leg rises. Step the foot forward between your hands. Take your low lunge. Pressing your hands on your thigh or on your knee. Without tucking toes, lift your right knee off the ground and move gently. Good, knee down once more, tuck your toes, take your plank. Again, knees, chest and chin. Your usual cobra here, open. And move back to your down dog without tucking toes. Sweet. Knees down next. Tuck your toes and sit on your heels. Let's stimulate a little bit. Open and spread your heart. Reach and then hands together to touch. Take like a cat and cow. Spread your wings and arch. Again, spread up, look up, arch. And hands together to touch. Reach your arms all the way up and release. Sit down on your heels. This time your feet are down on the mat. Walk your hands backwards a little bit and extend your heart up. Or if you want, if you're really flexible on your ankle, you can try to lift your knees just a bit or a lot as I'm doing. If you want, the last step is taking your hands at your heart. We're stimulating really much here our earth element. Balancing, breathing. Knees down, hands down, downward facing dog. Right leg all the way up, step the foot forward, left knee down, sit down, but keep your left heel on the side. We're taking half hero. Good. Walk your hands a little bit back. If you want, stay down on your elbows, or if you prefer, you can lay down on your back all the way. more tight. If you feel any pressure, any extra pressure on your knee, you can lift back up. Good. Get back on your elbows, back on your hands, and fold over your right leg. If you can, head to knee. Use blocks if you need to. Back up, extend both legs and then press into a reverse tabletop pose. Feet under knees, hands under shoulders. Drop your head back. Get ready, sway your hips between your hands. Hold 3, 2, 1. Sit down, cross your legs, down dog. Left leg all the way up. Step the foot forward. Get ready for your half hero, this time on your right knee. Your left leg is extended. You can lower down either on elbows or on shoulders, as you like it. Remember to take care of your joints. Good. Back on elbows and back on hands. Fold forward. Head to knee. Cats here are doing their best. Good. Lift back up. This time extend your legs. Keep the legs extended. We're gonna take a reverse plank. Drop your head and push your hips up. Strong arms, strong legs. Lower down, take your final downward dog. Good. Feet together, step or hop. Lay all the way down onto your back. And we're ready for our Shavasana. Get fully supported by the earth. Get your whole body in touch with it. Try to find a connection. Try to imagine yourself grounding down fully and completely. Start waking up, deepen your breath, stretch your body out onto one side and take your seat. Thank you so much, Yogi, for following me today. I hope you have a wonderful